Disability etiquette is basically about how we treat disabled people. It's good behaviour, it's correct and appropriate language and terminology. Our role is developing employer guidance, advice, and developing guidance and advice for trade unions in terms of what legal obligations are placed on employers and service providers. Very importantly, we want to encourage employers and service providers to develop good practice to go beyond the law. We know in Northern Ireland that disabled people have particular problems in accessing services, and we know that from research we've conducted. And we know it's primarily because the service providers are unsure about how to address and engage with disabled people. The aim of this project, Every Customer Counts, is to encourage service providers to treat all customers in a respectful, empathetic way, regardless of background or ability. The important thing for local services to do in terms of improving access is to keep it simple. So the key thing for local businesses is to treat disabled people in a respectful way, in the same way, hopefully, that they treat all of their other customers. It's helpful to have some training, it's helpful to have a policy, but the main thing is to try and change attitudes and behaviours towards disabled customers. There are a number of things we want service providers to take away from the video. First of all, we want the video to give them advice and guidance on what they can do to better meet the needs of disabled customers. And we want to convey the message that these are simple, easy things around changing behaviour and changing attitude. We also want to say it is not a complex issue, it doesn't cost lots of money. It can be done in a fairly simple way. And we also want them to remember that there are significant business benefits to them actually accommodating disabled customers in a better way, and it will affect their bottom line. Local service providers can come to the Equality Commission for advice on access to goods, facilities and services in relation to disability, but also other equality areas as well. We have an advice line which they can contact Monday to Friday. We have a website which is interactive, which contains lots of guidance and advice. We also offer training and seminars on the issue, and employers should feel free to contact us.